Okay, project 3. I chose Scratch as my coding language, and I looked through all the Scratch challenges, and I really liked this one. It's called Imagine a World, and I'm going to use this as an exit ticket for my Earth and Human Activity curriculum. And I think that it ties in quite nicely. You can use it to make all kinds of projects that can apply to a bunch of different topics. Okay, so first, imagine. Should take about 10 minutes according to our friends at Scratch. And I wanted my students to think about how Earth's natural resources are dispersed based on a geologic process, or based on geologic processes, and how humans have used those resources since the Industrial Revolution. So all students are given kind of a graphic organizer imagination thought bubble where they're asked to fill in the blank. Imagine a world where ... So they're asked to share their name and then one thing they imagine in their world, with the twist of it being under the theme of environmental conservation. Okay, here's what the thought bubble looked like, and here's my example. I'm Miss A, and I imagine a world where everyone accepts that changes in climate have been happening for 4.5 billion years. Okay, and then we also have a great Scratch Imagine guide that I linked right into the lesson. Very helpful. Okay, next, students can create, teachers can help. Using those two resources in the bottom right-hand screen, that Imagine a World tutorial is a quick online tutorial, very helpful. Even more helpful, the Imagine a World cards. Okay, these are kind of like little cheat sheets that people who are new to this coding language, they can kind of start thinking about the commands that they want to give the sprites or little characters, and how to start those commands to manipulate the characters the way you would like. And that's all linked in if you'd like to take a look at the activity. Very cool, very complete. Thank you, Scratch. Okay, and here is my project. So there's the code. It's a little bit longer than that. And let's watch. Okay. It's my first complete project on Scratch. I'm pretty proud. So afterwards, students should always have an opportunity to share and be proud of their work. You can ask them, what are you the most proud of? I'm proud that I finished an entire Scratch project. I didn't just remix, which is what I usually do. What's a problem you solved? I figured out how to change the backgrounds in my project. Thought that was pretty cool. And what would you add if you had more time? I think I would go back and make adjustments to the number of seconds each message box appeared on my project. Some of them were a little quick and it was hard to read. I would also maybe try to adjust some of the images so that they appear after certain texts instead of before at the end. You may have noticed. Okay, and the time that I met a legend, I was actually really fortunate, and I got to go to an MIT summer program for educators called CEPT, and I got to meet and learn from Mitch Resnick, author of Lifelong Kindergarten, and super cool guy. If you can get to Cambridge this summer, you should totally apply for CEPT. It was a magical educator experience. Okay, that's my video. Thanks for watching.